Hi everyone, I am Dr. R. Soumi, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today we are going to see the topic implementation of IoT with Raspberry Pi in the subject IoT based system design. So let us see what is Raspberry Pi. Short form is RPI. It is the credit card size single board computer built by the Raspberry Pi Foundations in association with Broadcom in United Kingdom. It can do most of the things your typical desktop does, such as handling spreadsheet, word processing, and games. Raspberry Pi also has the capacity to play the videos and in high definitions. It can run several versions of the Linux, and it is used to teach kids worldwide how to program. In addition, it has the inputs and outputs for sensors, so for you can attach all sorts of hardware to it. In general purpose input output pins on Raspberry Pi allow you to connect the status lights, switches, analog signals, and more. You can use C++ or Python to control the board, to sense or control devices attached to it. Invented to simulate the teaching of basic computer science in schools, Raspberry Pi has since then been used in many applications, including hobbyist projects, hardware platforms for electronics design, embedded devices, and robotics. So this is the Raspberry Pi kit. It has the GPIO pins, Ethernet ports, USB, HDMI port, micro USB power. So this is a diagram of the Raspberry Pi. Here the Ethernet and USB port, power supply, GPIO ports, camera modules, SD card, display, and HDMI. These are the devices connected to the SoC. So processor, Raspberry Pi uses a Broadcom, that is BCM 2835 system on chip, which is a RAM processor and video core graphics processing unit. It is the heart of the Raspberry Pi, which controls the operations of all the connected devices and handles all the required components. Next, HDMI, high definition multimedia interface, is used for transmitting videos or digital audio data to computer, monitor, or to digital TV. GPIO ports, general purpose input output ports, are available on Raspberry Pi, which allows the user to interface various IP devices. Next one is the audio output. An audio connector is available for connecting audio output device such as headphones and speaker. USB port, this is the common port available for various peripherals such as mouse, keyboard, or any other IP devices. With the help of the USB port, the system can be expanded by connecting more peripherals. SD card slot is available for Raspberry Pi, and SD with an operating system installed is required for booting the devices. Ethernet, the Ethernet connector allows access to the wired network. It is available only on the model B of Raspberry Pi. Power supply, a micro USB power connector is available onto which a 5 volt power supply can be connected.